Guys, hope you are well. Sorry about the mess. It's the maid's day off. I haven't been doing much down here, just getting the bike ready. It's I think today it's up in the 16, 17 degree mark, which is nice because lately it's been 0. Tomorrow is supposed to be in the 20s, so I'm going to be breaking this out and trying it out. I've actually tried to recycle the pack that I never got a chance to use last year. I made this wiring harness here. It was pretty straightforward. It plugs into the wiring harness on here, and then it splits so you can use the 48 volt pack that I made, which is lithium ion, with a booster pack. This is LiPo 4. This one actually keeps up with it because it's higher amp hours than this is. And it works good. I get about 76 volts constant from both these wired together. The BMS doesn't seem to have an issue with it. The only thing I had to do is I had to rethink my 3-way switch that I had on it for, well, before I had it, if you follow my videos, I had a 3-way switch where you could have front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or both. Basically, I just made it more simplified. As you can see, I made a switch right there, glued it to the controller. It basically just kills the front. So you have rear wheel drive with that. Because I'm pretty sure the BMS in this battery pack here can't handle 2 500 watt motors. It's just not designed for that. It barely handles one. So with the extra booster pack, it's enough to propel you forward. So when the other one is offline or charging, I can still use that one. So yeah, that's basically about what I've been doing. I haven't been doing much of anything else. I mean, like, I replaced the switch, redid some of the wiring that gave me issues last year. I had to rewire the fuse and solder it in there because the wire was popping up the bottom. I redid my USB out. Got 2 leads here if I need to charge anything or a phone or anything else up on the front. That's about it. I just want to go out and ride. I'm tired of not being able to ride. It's too bloody cold. Oh, I gotta stop off at the gas station and put some air in that shock. I found you can't use a air pump or hand pump to fill it up. You need something a little bit more pressure. So that'll have to be addressed. Other than that, everything is pretty much the same. I rewired the 3-way switch. Both controllers are working together on this one switch. Actually get more of a performance boost now, because before, the way I was running it is when I had this on full speed, only one controller was set at the other one. The other one was set at default. So that should make a big difference in speed. We'll see. Yeah, that's about it. I gotta stop at Sports Swappers and see about getting parts for that fork. Now that it's gotten warmer. And I got the juice. They got the green juice in the tires. We'll see how that turns out. Hopefully, like I said, I hope I don't find out if it works or not. But you know, get out there and do some riding. I know I am. Sick of this pandemic crap. So take it easy, guys.